here it is. Where are we right now? This is the Maricopa.
We are in the Central Court building here in Maricopa County.
Mm-hmm. And so you're about to have a hearing.
I am. I signed a plea deal a few months ago after being under duress, after not having all of the information that I should have had, that the attorney should have advised me of. I didn't know what exculpatory evidence was. I didn't know what a motion discovery was, which I found out was standard operating procedure. When you hire an attorney, especially one for the amount of money that I paid, standard operating procedure is, hey, they get the motion discovery, sit down with you, and come up with some kind of strategy.
Right. Well, this is important information for people to know, because if they ever get into trouble and their attorney does similar stuff, they failed to get the exculpatory evidence. The prosecutor failed to provide the exculpatory evidence, which they are supposed to be able to do. But
and we're still trying to get from 11 body cameras.
Right.
One body camera video.
How do you know there were 11?
Well, there were 11 police officers in the police discovery.
Got it.
That responded to this call. So 11 possible body cameras.
But you've got audio from one.
I do have audio, yes. So when Officer Miranda, coincidentally, read me my Miranda rights. Geez, I just lost track.
So the body cam.
She was wearing a body cam. She got audio from that, and apparently there was nothing else. So it's like they got
audio only.
Audio only.
They told you that it was audio only.
That's all I was given.
So, but it would seem that if there was some sort of a problem, it would have maybe like black footage or blank video and audio on there. They've got to extract the audio.
Yes.
A camera like that is very likely going to be recording probably an MP4 file.
I would imagine,
with audio embedded in it, and it's going to be a deliberate process to remove the audio from it.
Yes.
So, I mean, if the judge,
you would have to go in and separate that.
Refuses to give you this evidence, I think you're going to be able to appeal any decision that is anything other than we need this exculpatory evidence.
I would think any person with common sense would listen to this information and say, you know what, something doesn't seem right here. Yeah. Maybe we should let this guy go ahead and get this exculpatory evidence.
Well, it's not for them to choose. If the exculpatory evidence exists, you have to have it. That's your right as a citizen. And so basically you're here today to read a prepared letter to the judge telling that you had to fire your attorney because David George Swigert took it upon himself to interfere in your case, to alert your previous attorney that you've been making videos about the case. And he had absolutely no reason to do that other than
never met the guy
harassing you.
Yeah.
And he's harassing you because you've appeared on my show.
Exactly.
And he's harassing me.
And he just happens to have this website with the WordPress website. And
I don't think that's not his website, but that's someone who is
affiliated with him.
I think in some way. I suspect in some way that tracking the leopard Mraz or whatever.
Something about.
But okay, so in just about 30 minutes, you're going to be inside there before the judge, and we'll do a little wrap up after that, and we'll come back and see what happens.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
All right, Michael. Good luck in there.
Thank you.